Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Good day today. Very good day. Went to the gym, had my coffee, and now it's time for the live stream. It's time for the live stream. Hey, guys. Hello, hello. How was your trading week? How is your trading week? We might do a giveaway today, so make sure to stick out. And in the end of the stream, we'll do a live giveaway. So make sure to stay here, ask your questions, engage with everyone, and we'll do a giveaway. So first, let's do a quick market recap to see what's happening, what happened, and to see. So for Nasdaq, we're ranging. We are ranging, and it doesn't look like there is any key level here that I'm interested in. So what would we do with Nasdaq is most probably nothing swing, that's for sure. But maybe we can look out for some scalps. Maybe. Let's see the gold. Hmm. By the way, for the new guys out there, so I did four trades um since the start of the TV, and we went four. So four wins. We had only one break even, so three wins, one break even. And break even, I consider that a win. Definitely, you didn't lose money. So stick out. Maybe we could find something. I don't enter randomly, so it's either a plus risk setup, or I usually don't enter. And if I enter something uh, that I'm not very confident in, like I usually tell you to take like 0.2% risk just for the sake of taking the trade. So that's just. So for gold, there is nothing. It looks very bearish, very bearish. So let's see something here. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour, it looks like gold will be dropping. The euro will be dropping more. Uh-huh. Let's check Bitcoin. What happened with Bitcoin? Anybody who's in a trade currently, always looking out for something. So Bitcoin. Last time we said if it closed below this level. We might look for short, but it looks like a sweep, another one. Hmm, not sure about Bitcoin. It looks very bearish at the moment. So we definitely will break out of this range. We'll stop ranging inside of it, and maybe we'll have another range down there. That's how I could see like Bitcoin moving before definitely the next bull run. We'll break out all-time highs again, hopefully. Bitcoin. After the tension de-escalated after the war, everything is correcting now. Everything seems to be correcting. These were old levels. Let's remove them. So this is all-time high here. Let's mark it. And we're still not able to break above it. But your asserty looks strong. So we might. I would expect next week to break out of this level. Definitely. If we stay, if you assert like stay this strong, what is the start of the year? So we have August, July, 2026, Jan. So since the start of the year, which is here, so this is Jan. US 30 is up 9.44%. Covered from all this drop. We have a red folder on 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm not expecting a huge move in the market. But the news is the news. So I would advise everyone to not trade the news. That's what I usually do, especially on prop firms. Especially on prop firms, because as you know, like the price would range a lot in the news, which will create gaps and you might get slipped. So better to stay away, see what the news will bring to the table, and then we can trade after. Let's check the news on gold. It's usually the most interesting. So at one time, a few years back, the new strategy used to work on prop firms, and prop firms regulated the rules about it. So now you can't do it anymore, which was like to hold buy stops and sell stops, and the news would take out your entry and give you like few pips of profit. But this is so risky as well. So it used to work, but not anymore. Okay, so the news hit. Okay, so we have a small spike on gold. Okay, it's a bigger one. So gold was up. Okay, $17. Damn. I just said that. I just said that. I'm not expecting a huge move, and here it is. Here it is. Here it is. It's still going up. It's still going up. Let's check others. What happened with Nasdaq, for example, or better yet, US 30. Okay, same. Let's move up for Nasdaq. Okay, for Nasdaq, I think it's stronger. Let me put on some music. Why there is no music? Why there is no music? Okay. So I'm not touching gold until it cools down a bit. That's for sure. I'm not touching anything as for now. Let's take a look what happened with the news. So I might get into longs maybe. I might get into longs. A small scalp on gold. I'll place it just here with a small tight stop loss and the 1 to 5 risk to reward. Be something like this. It would be something like this. The straight might never hit actually. I'm not sure. But after the news, I would expect that gold would move a bit up. Okay, so by the way, guys, just so you know, we have an active offer. It's a flash sale. It ends in 24 hours. So you get 40% off. Buy one, get one. So make sure to benefit from this. It's going away in 24 hours. You have till tomorrow. So make sure to get it. Okay. Regarding gold. still very active from the news, actually. It's still very active from the news. Should be cooling off now. It's been 10 minutes since the news release, so we just want good to drop a bit towards our entry. A bit. A bit is like $10, 100 points. Just a bit gold. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's keep let's keep the limits, but take a look at Nasdaq in the meantime. Baby News created something for us. Maybe and just maybe. Maybe. I would easily see like Nasdaq climbing up at least to these levels. To be 30,000 again. Nothing looks exceptionally. Nothing looks out of the world, as I mentioned. It looks like this level is acting like a temporary resistance. Support, I mean. Yeah, it's not looking promising for our trade. It's not looking promising at all. Let's stick with gold for this session. It looks the best. And you might have an entry. Okay, guys, so let's make a giveaway. Let's make a giveaway. You just have to say hi in the chat. Let's do this. So say hi in the chat so you can get in the giveaway. If no one says anything, there is no giveaway. So show me your messages in the chat. Just testing the hello, yeah, it works. So guys, if you want to get in the giveaways, so just say hello, hi, drop any message. How's the World Cup? Is your team still playing? So already escalated. So crazy price action that we used to see a few weeks back. It's definitely not going back for the moment. So I used this. I thought this was highlighted. So I think it was like this. Yeah. So this. This was during the war. This is the launch of the war. This was during the negotiations, ceasefire, and everything. So now we're getting back to normal levels, which were here. So I'm expecting, if everything stayed the same, to range again inside these ranges. Probably more like this. Imagine the price of VTI during the COVID. It was crazy. Crazy times. Since COVID, the markets were crazy, crazy, crazy. Everyone started trading because of these markets. Probably most of you also started trading post-COVID or during COVID. These times when everyone started to get to know about trading, before that it was more or less like a niche industry, let's say. But now, like, there is more awareness about trading. Less people, everyone knows about trading now. Especially for prop firms, by the way. So we had prop firms before. We had actually some good prop firms that are still operating, especially in futures before COVID. And during COVID, we had some others. I do remember that most of the prop firms started going viral in 2021. 2023 was the peak. Every week we had one prop firm opening, popping everywhere, all kind of names. Now it's more stable. Less people are entering. Like, More people were there in 2023, but now there is better quality. Better quality, definitely. For example, the funded way we started last year, we had some very nice growth. We paid a lot of traders. We gave everyone an opportunity. We had like some pretty unique accounts for, let's say, and yeah, we're here. 2026 was great for us. Amazing. We're paying everyone within time, less than 12 hours. Everyone is happy. Great prop firm. Great prop firm. I love also our mainly the best selling program, the easiest one to get payout from is the Instant Pro Way. So the Instant Pro Way is consistency free. That's the first thing. So you just have to hit a target and you get paid out. That's it. It's as simple as this. You just have to, oh yeah, so you have to complete 5 trading days. After that, hit the target, and that's all. That's all. No IP address rule, no bullshit. Like just hit them, comply with the rules, and yeah. So, just so you know, we're working on some great things. Probably, I would say in Q4 2026, they would be completed. Uh, Definitely, you know that now we're in summer, less traders trade, there is more vacation time. Most of the people pull out their money out of the market to go enjoy them. So we're working behind the scenes. We have some great updates ahead, great things coming. The big update I would expect it in Q4. And what's this way? Pretty sure our entry on gold is now obsolete. Yeah, yeah, got bullish after the news that as I mentioned, but weren't able to hit the entry. It was like few 100 pips away. Few 100 pips away. Maybe less. Let's check. Eh, less than 100 pips. 60. Yeah, this is cancelled. Let's remove it. So no one gets in late or something. Not sure we would still enter in any gold position at the moment because it's still going up. We need some sort uh, of inverse so we can get in. Not inverse, but what do we call it? Forgot the word. A pullback. We'll wait a bit for New York Open so we can see like if there is some opportunity there that we can catch, especially on Nasdaq. I really want to try this trade, but too risky. Let's paper trade it. No one takes this trade, okay? Because it's definitely gonna hit stop loss, 100%. It's 100% going to stop loss, but I just want to see how it would play out. Don't take this trade again, okay? Don't take this trade. So we're near entry, and yeah. Got left. It's definitely gonna head back and go to stop loss anyway. It's definitely gonna hit stop loss anyway. So don't take this trade again. It's only just for the sake of entertainment. Imagine it's just go hit take profit without the entry. I wouldn't care because I'm not in, so. But yeah, imagine. Okay, we hit entry, but we'll hit stop loss in like 1 minute or so, just so you know. Look, look at this entry. Yeah, straight to TP. It was a gamble, to be honest. That's why I didn't take it. Mm-hmm. 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 There is no way. There is no way this will go to TP. There is no word that this would go to TP like this easy. How much did this make, by the way? Oh yeah, 2.3 on top in 1 minute. Oh, good lord. I just can't believe we're going. It's near TP in 2 minutes. It's gonna hit TP. I really can't believe what. No way. There is no way. There is no way this was like a goat of a trade and we didn't take it. Okay. TP. There is no way. No way, no way, no way. There is no way. I can't believe it. We still haven't opened. New York Stock Exchange didn't open and we hit TP in 1, 2, 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, we hit TP. It's no way that there is no way, yeah. There is no way. Okay, so we hit the trade of the day. No one took it because I said don't take it, and good thing we didn't take it because it was so risky. It was a gamble, but yeah, it was fun. So let's wait to see how the market will open, and I'm gonna end the stream after. Okay, so the market is gonna open in a few seconds now. Yes, and it opened. Mhm. Okay, so the pullback, we got it like as a nice scalp, but I'm sure no one got it because I said so. But yeah, after this market open, very bearish. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end the stream for today, and I will see you again next week on Monday. Hopefully, you end your week. Hopefully, end your week profitably. And don't forget, this is the last 24 hours before the flash sale will go. So it's 40% off, buy one get one. It's the last 24 hours. You have till tomorrow to benefit from the offer. And as I said, I'll see you guys on Monday, and have a good rest of the week. Hopefully end it on a good note, and have a nice weekend. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.